In the previous video, we talked about Blue Prism installation pre-requirements. Now in this video, we'll talk about how to download Blue Prism Learning Edition. So to download that, you have to first visit this portal.blueprism.com, and then first you have to click on login, and then if you have login credential for the Blue Prism portal, then you can enter details and you can log in. If you are new to this, then you have to click on sign up here, and here you have to enter some details, your email ID, your username, then password, confirm password. So here I am going to use email address. You can enter your username here, and then you can enter your password. This is your Blue Prism portal password. And then enter your first name, enter your last name, enter your job title, then select your country, click on accept. Then if you want to choose this, you can select these are the promotional marketing updates. Now here you have to just put this captcha. So 20, click on create new account. 2 errors have been found. So this user ID is already taken. I need to use something different. Just click on create new account. The account has been created now. You can see you are getting a welcome message. So just open your Gmail. So I have received here one email from ro.bot, and this is for account details for Blue Prism Automate at Blue Prism portal. This is the link where you need to verify your email. Just click on that. You have verified your email, and then you have to click on this product, click on this Blue Prism Enterprise, and then click on this this Learning Edition. There are two editions here, Trial Edition and Learning Edition. So Trial Edition is used for organization, and Learning Edition is used for the learners who want to learn this. So just click on that and click on Learning Edition. So you can see we are getting here Learning Edition. Download Learning Edition 6.10.1. You can download 64 bits here, the CXC Learning Edition 6.10, and Blue Prism that is free to use for 90 days. So you can just click on download, and then here you can see thank you for downloading Blue Prism. Your license key will be sent to you by email. If you have not received it within the next 5 minutes, please check your junk or spam folders. So here you can see it is downloading that. Blue Prism Learning 6.10.1 MSI. In the next video, we'll talk about how to install Blue Prism Learning Edition and how to configure this.